you can use for your project almost like React, but it comes with a lot of components which we can exactly design our website or web application into a modern one and most fastest one. We can do this. There is a code and as well as the design is available. So if you want to use any projects with a different style of UI library, especially if it's a React based one, you definitely you can prefer this, and a lot of documentations and a lot of animation and components is available, so you can use it for your depends on your project needs. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.